Cops probe murder in Cheshire Village. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot dead in Cheshire Village, a housing scheme built for mostly disabled people on Golden Avenue, Tavern St. Andrew on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as 23-year-old Michael Sutherland, otherwise called Dim Dim, from Bedward Gardens, Augustown. It is reported that at around 7:45 a.m., residents heard loud explosions and summoned the police. On arrival, lawmen found the now deceased lying face down in a pool of blood with what appears to be a gunshot wound to the head. He was clad in a pink and white shorts, black and red American Eagle underwear, and a pair of black, white, and orange Nike sneakers. The police said the body was removed to the Kingston Public Hospital, where it was pronounced dead by the doctor on duty. No motive has yet been established for the killing. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.